Hi, hello. In our last session, we have seen various string operations. We'll continue more string operations in this session as well. We were talking about string slicing along with introducing step as input. Let's start with a couple of more examples. I'll declare a string s equal to Python programming. So now let's start with string slicing. I'm omitting starting and end indexing, specifying step as 3. What it does actually. So it starts with 0 and returns every third character. Right? Based on the step, it returns every third character. What if I give start index as 4, omit end index, and step is 3? It starts with index 4, returns every alternative third character. Right? We can have negative step values too. In this case, Python steps backward through the string. Since it is traverse reverse, right? One more thing we should remember: the start index must be greater than the end index. Let's try. Now say start is 5, end is 1. Let's say step is 1. So now from 5th index onwards till 1st index, in the reverse order, it will give every character. What if we omit start and end index along with the negative step value? It just reverses the value based on the step input. Yes. Now omit start, end, and negative step. So in the reverse way, it is giving every alternative character in the string. Now simple modification to the above one. I'm giving step as -1. If you notice, it's just reverse the string. This is one way of reversing the string. This is all about string slicing. One question: can we modify strings? The answer is no, we cannot. Strings are immutable in Python, which cannot be changed after its creation. For example, I have created a string called Python. Now this is Python. I just want to change the character in second index to yes, yeah. So it will not allow you. So strings are immutable in Python. All you can do here is construct new string according to your needs. So what I mean here is str equal to yes from 0 to second plus I have my own thing hi and add yes 3 till end. Now str gives a new string. This is one way of doing string creations. It's all about string operations. Let's discuss string formatting in the next coming session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.